I am Bala Santosh of EC second year. This case study on electromagnetic field. Topic is electromagnetic boundary condition. Electromagnetic boundary condition. In order to solve electromagnetic problems involving contiguous regions of different constitutive parameters, it is necessary to know the boundary conditions that the field vectors E, D, B, H must satisfy at the interface. The boundary conditions for the tangential component of E and H are obtained from equation E1t is equal to E2t volt per meter An into H1 minus H2 equal to Js am per meter. Similarly, the boundary conditions for the normal component of D and B are obtained as An2 into D1 minus D2 is equal to rho s Coulomb per meter square. B1n is equal to B2n Tesla. We can make the following general statements about electromagnetic boundary conditions. The tangential component of an E field is continuous across an interface. The tangential component of an H field is discontinuous across an interface. Where a surface current exists, the amount of discontinuity being determined. The normal component of a D field is discontinuous across an interface. Where a surface charge exists, the amount of discontinuity being determined by equation. The normal component of a B field is continuous across an interface. We now examine the important special case of a boundary between two lossless linear media and a boundary between a good dielectric and a good conductor. Interface between two lossless linear media. A lossless linear media can be specified by a permittivity and permeability where sigma is equal to 0. There are usually no free charges and no surface current at the interface between two lossless media. We set rho s is equal to 0, j is equal to 0 and the obtained conditions given in the table. On the side of the medium 1, on the side of the medium 2. B1 is 0, other side also 0. B1 is 0, other side is also 0. The perfect conductor is 1 with an infinite conductivity. In the physical world, we have an abundance of good conductor. However, this situation is expected to change in the near future since scientists have recently found ceramic materials that show superconducting properties at a higher transition temperature above 77 Kelvin boiling point of nitrogen. Room temperature superconductivity is still a dream. As mentioned in the section 16, current in the media with a finite conductivities are expressed in terms of volume current densities and surface current densities defined for current flowing through an infinitesimal thickness is 0. Thank you.